You can book a vaccine at the COP even if you don't have a residence and a residence permit. Some vaccines are compulsory for children under 16. Without those vaccines, they will not be allowed to go to school. However, there are 4 vaccines that have mandatory state that can change each 3 years. The Mantoux test helps to detect tuberculosis. It's a severe illness that can cause death if not diagnosed in time. It's important to make the test because some illnesses can stay hidden and show no symptoms. If you have the symptoms, you need to go to the doctor: cough, fever, fatigue, and sweating. To book a visit to the medical specialist, you need to have a prescription from the doctor at COP desk. The medical prescription is not necessary to access the emergency service, the gynecologist, the pediatrician, the oculist. To book a visit to the medical specialist, you need to pay a ticket at the COP desk. To do a blood test, you will need to have a health insurance card and a medical prescription. The general practitioner will prescribe a blood test to check your general health state. Many blood samples will be taken for various exams because the exams are done in different labs. The tubes will be thrown in the bin 3 days after they are taken.